Okay. Helga gift. 2 beeps, it says. Are you sure that's a Helga gift? Ahmed! Okay, should we sing this song? Hold on. Okay, from Helga.
What's he got? A volcano! You can do that.
And you can do it over and over. It's not a one-time deal.
She's speechless.
Apparently.
Helga, you made her speechless.
About time somebody did.
First time ever.
It can explode. What is this even? Grandma, what is this even?
I know what that is.
Okay, Helga gift again. Beeps.
I'm going to get another.
Yay, wheat thins!
I know. You looked hungry.
It's a new iPhone case.
A lot of bags.
It's just the iPhone case. I had to screw with you.
Oh, that's pretty. Thank you.
Good enough? Good. It took
Not fair.
planning.
People coming through. Is it on?
Yep, it's on. Just a Helga gift. Helga.
That took me like a minute. That's all. Oh, I did not see this, Mama. Oh my gosh.
What'd you get, KK?
Look. What does it make?
It's a beading machine. It makes necklaces.
Easy, quick, and neat. So I don't have to worry about losing beads.
Thank God. I'm still sweeping up beads.
May I put these two? It looks like Helga. Ribbit like you mean it. It looks like one too. Okay, we can play Barbies.
That was for me, Michelle.
Huh?
That's for me.
Oh, thank you.
You like it?
No, that's from Helga.
Open your other Helga present. 'Cause I think
Yeah, they're together. They go together.
Open your other one. The other green
The
one.
other green one.
Is those popped out like?
Do you know what those are?
Uh-oh, I need to hide these from myself.
They're Legos. They're both Legos. They're both sets of Legos.
It's my turn. That's Harry Potter.
That's Harry Potter
Yes,
Legos.
Marissa, go.